You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious word correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, did I say pronounce? Yeah, never mind. Preternaturally is how it's pronounced, meaning beyond what is normal or natural. Preter or preter, that would be American English pronunciation. Preternaturally, American English, preternaturally, or British English pronunciation, preternaturally. Preternaturally or preternaturally. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.